Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to know Chrome passwords. First, open your Chrome browser and click the three vertical dots in the top right corner to access the menu. From there, select Settings to open a new tab. Once in Settings, look for the Autofill section on the left-hand side. Click on Password Manager to proceed to your saved credentials. Once in the Password Manager, you'll see a list of your saved websites and their corresponding usernames. To view a password, simply click the eye icon next to the entry. You will then be prompted to enter your computer's system password for security verification. After successful authentication, the password will be revealed, and you can also choose to edit or delete it. If you need to transfer your passwords or back them up, Chrome allows you to export them. In the Password Manager, locate the three dots next to Saved Passwords at the top. Click this menu and select Export Passwords. You'll again need to confirm your computer's password. Chrome will then generate a CSV file containing all your saved credentials, which you should save in a secure location. While Chrome's Password Manager is convenient, always prioritize strong security practices. Use unique and complex passwords for each of your online accounts, ideally a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of protection, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you might enjoy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.